Hey cooks, on the show today, we're gonna make my easy chicken egg rolls. These egg rolls are crispy and they're chock full with chicken and vegetables. They are absolutely fantastic. So join me. Let's make my easy chicken egg rolls. Okay, so I have a pound of ground chicken. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. I got this nice and heated up. And we're just going to go ahead and scramble this up. I put a little oil in here because I'm using just a stainless steel pan, and otherwise it'll stick like crazy. So we're going to scramble this up. You want it pretty scrambled. You don't want like big chunks in there. So we're going to cook this all the way, and we'll be back. So I'm using ground chicken. If you want, you can use ground beef, you can use ground turkey, or you can use even pork. This is pretty versatile, so if you want to make beef egg rolls, go for it, right? Pork, chicken, or turkey. So this is looking pretty good. So I have a 12-ounce bag of coleslaw mix. So if you have cabbage and carrots, go ahead and just
bust out your KitchenAid shredder or half.
Yeah, just shred it, or you can shred it with a knife or whatever. I just bought this for convenience because this is my easy egg rolls, right? So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Oh, this has got an end piece. This is just your average everyday cabbage coleslaw. This is a 365 organic from Whole Foods, but you can pretty much get that at any store. Then we're going to cook this down. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in this. I didn't put that much before. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. For some reason this bag has got a lot of the purple in there compared to what I'm used to. But it makes it colorful, right?
So purple is your favorite color?
Purple is one of my favorite colors. So I'll have purple egg rolls. So we're gonna let this cook down a little bit. Okay, time to season this up. I never measure this. I'm gonna put some soy sauce in here to taste. I think with this soy sauce, I don't really need to put a lot of salt in here. I'm gonna put a squeeze of some chili sauce. Put some pepper. Season it up kind of tasty like. I'm gonna put some ground ginger in here. I've tried to order ginger for some reason. The last 2 times I've put in a grocery order and I got canceled on that both times. So I don't know what's up with that. Is there a ginger shortage or something? Or at least in my local grocery store there is. So we're gonna give this a little stir here. Oh, it smells so good. And very purple this time. So let me give it a little taste-a-roo. It's perfect. It's delicious. Wow. Really nice. Perfect, and then I go add more. You know what? That's cook's prerogative. I think I do want to put a little bit of salt. Ah, it looks good. A new fork. Perfect. So let's roll our egg rolls. Okay, so we are using egg roll wrappers. So sort of the difference between egg rolls and spring rolls is egg rolls, the wrappers are a little thicker. Spring rolls, they're really paperier. Papery. We are going to be doing spring rolls in the future, but today we're doing egg rolls, so we're using egg roll wrappers. I think traditionally these were called egg rolls because they put eggs in the dough as opposed to spring rolls where they didn't. So I have a few here left over from when I made some egg rolls the other day. So I'm going to finish these off and then we will go to that package. So I have a little bowl here of some water. We're going to use this to seal our egg rolls. And so all you do is we're going to take an egg roll wrapper. These are kind of delicate, so just be careful. And we're going to take some of our filling. So put the wrapper with one of the corners towards you. We're going to fill it. You don't want to overstuff it. That's happened to me, and then it blows up when we go to fry them. So we're just going to fill it up just like this. Then to roll the egg rolls, we're just going to take the corner here, go up on our filling here, right? So we're going to sort of roll these like a burrito. We're going to take this corner here and go here. We're going to take this corner here and go in here. We're going to tuck these in. I'm going to roll it one time, take my finger into the water. We're going to wet this edge here, and we're going to roll it on over. And that wet edge is going to seal our egg roll right here. And we're going to go ahead and put our egg roll over here onto the plate. So let me show you that again. Take your egg roll wrapper. This is simple as pie. Take some of your filling to stuff it. Not a huge amount, but a decent amount. Probably just like that, right? We're going to take this edge. We're going to fold it up like this. We're going to take this one. We're going to go over to here. This corner over to here. We're going to just tuck this right here. Roll it once. And moisten the edge. And then roll it on over, and it will seal. Yay! Egg roll. Once you get a little rhythm going, and you rolled a couple, it's just easy. End up, over, over, roll it on over, moisten, moisten, and finish rolling. Just like that. Sometimes you got to take a little and go like that. That helps seal it a little bit, and there's your egg roll. So I'm going to finish rolling these, and then we'll cook them. Okay, so we are ready to cook our egg rolls. So I have about 1 inch of oil in here. I just covered these while I was rolling so they didn't dry out. So we're gonna go ahead. Our oil, you want it up to like 325, something like that. And we're gonna go ahead and put our egg rolls in here. It will pop on you. Just be careful when you put them in. And when it sat a little bit, they dried and it like really pasted. So it's probably a good idea to just, as you roll, just kind of let them dry a little bit. And since our filling is relatively still warm, because I put it in here after we cooked it, and it's cooked, it's not raw, all we need to basically do is to brown up and fry the wonton or the egg roll wrappers. So when you flip them, they look delicious. Oh, just be gentle with them. You don't want to break them open. Because once you break that open, you get filling in the oil, and then as you cook more, that filling just burns, and it burns on the outside of your next batch, and I always call that like meat dust. Ooh, they're starting to look yummy. Yummy. I don't want it too high because I don't want it to all over me. Does that look like an egg roll then?
I don't know. Bring it closer to me, my pretty.
Yeah.
See how the closer we get close to being done cooking, the closer I get to the food?
I see that. And we're just going to put on here to drain. We're going to go ahead and put a couple more EGs in here. Egg roll. Oof. So a lot of times when I go out to eat, these things are like $1 a piece. So this would cost you $14 there, Boo.
Plus tip, gas. And you're not going to get just egg rolls, Boo. You're going to get something else, right? Right?
Look how that looks. Ah, we're talking. Those look yummy. I kind of flip them a few times just so they don't just get overcooked. I don't really want a burnt egg roll. Egg roll up. Yeah. It's hot. How you like them egg rolls, Boo?
Can I get mine medium rare?
I don't think you want that.
Don't want that?
Fully cooked. Egg rolls, guys. That looks yum dum da dum dum. Yummy yum. Okay, so let's plate up our egg rolls. I have a little bit of chili sauce here as a dipping sauce. And how are we gonna plate these? One. These look fantastic, guys. 2, 3. Well, it's going to be me and Eric eating, so we have 4 egg rolls, 2 apiece. I'm just going to garnish with a little green onion, just, you know, because that's how I am. They look so good. So it's time to take a taste. So here are our egg rolls. They're looking fantastic. Let's go ahead and take a bite of one of these babies with a little chili sauce. They're so good. You want to taste one, Boo?
Maybe.
They're tasty.
Oh, yum, right? These are good.
They're really good. So, cooks, if you want a really easy egg roll recipe, there's only a few ingredients in this. You can use ground beef, you can ground turkey, ground chicken, some coleslaw mix, and spice it up, right? They're so easy to make and they're so good. If you like this recipe, please subscribe below and hit that bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. And give us a comment and a like and let me know what you think about this recipe. You can get this recipe out on my website, amylearnstocook.com. There'll be links down below so you can go out and print it out. You can also catch me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. I'm on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. Now, I'm on my way to finish up these egg rolls.